Okay, guys, here I want to show you up close the pumpkin patch I made. Here is Hobby Lobby's, and now I can get really close. I'm holding the camera. So there is that. Here are the paper towel rolls glued together. And here is the corrugated. All were painted and antiqued. Personally, I think they turned out really cute, and they make a cute presentation for a table, a hutch, wherever you want to put them. So I hope that you will try this. It was very easy, as you saw. Didn't cost me hardly anything. So until our next DIY, remember, the world's a better place because you're in it. Don't you ever, ever forget that. Talk to you soon, guys. Bye.